Ooh, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. All right, we are back. First of all, your boy tested positive for COVID. Positive right here. And I haven't vlogged for 6 months. So I know you can see the bags under my eyes because I was up to like 6 a.m. last night. Not because of COVID, but because I was excited to start vlogging again. For the last 6 months, me and my roommate Joseph got an apartment together. My girlfriend, who I've been dating for the last 6 months, moved in with me recently, and we're gonna call her AK. We also got a dog named Jasmine, which you guys will meet eventually. I call her Jazzy Man. And yeah, I'm bringing the channel back, and this time around I want to be more transparent to my viewers. Let them know damn. Let them know everything that's going on in my life, including, you know, the car installs, what I do for work, what me and Alyssa decide to do, anything to do with Jasmine. With today's video, starting off back strong with some HRS V2 taillights, or sorry, the Suma Performance Clear V2 taillights. Should be a pretty easy install. I've done the Mugen taillights before. It's a little different this time because these are actually fully sequential other than just the half sequential. So yeah, let's just get right to it. It has been a very long time since we have installed a new car part on this channel. I know some of you guys remember that I had the Mugen taillights installed on this car, but the downside to the Mugen taillights were that they were not fully sequential. They were only half sequential, and every time I looked at them, it reminded me that I paid $650 for something that wasn't even like fully sequential. So I went ahead and sold those, and I copped the new Suma V2 Performance Clear taillights. So I've been rocking the stock taillights for about 6 months now, and I gotta say, I do like the look of these more. Like the claws at the nighttime of the 10th gen Civic taillights, just in my opinion, the best look. But the stock taillights are not sequential, so that is something that bothers me. I want to be able to have that full sequential look that I want to do in the headlights eventually. So we're gonna go ahead and get these taillights knocked out. They should be fully sequential all the way up to the hatch light. I will show you guys what I mean by that if you guys don't really understand. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this install. It's pretty straightforward. These come out just as easy. 2 bolts pop out. This whole hatch lining needs to come out, and then the wiring for the hatch lights need to come through here and route through the weather stripping into the main taillights. This unfortunately is not going to be a detailed step-by-step install channel. I'm going to install stuff, but it's not really going to be instructional. It's going to be more for entertainment. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Look who we have here. Lowin'. I am getting destroyed by these mosquitoes. Fuck. Lowin'.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. He's proud of me. Did you say cringe?
Cringe?
Stay over there. Lowin is vaccinated, but I have COVID. You can just leave it next to this STI. You have a good time.
Yeah, have a good time, you shitty self-service.
Bye.
Bye.
Lowin has dropped off some cleaning supplies for us to clean the car. Probably not today because of the amount of mosquito bites I have, but I'll do a full in-depth cleaning maybe like tomorrow or something. I got the left side done. Just need to tuck everything back up and then finish up the right side. Say bye to the EP3. So the reason we went from Mugen to the Suma taillights is because one, Mugen is not fully sequential. When I say fully sequential, you can see that this whole bar lights up. On the Mugen one, only half the bar lit up. Also, I have Suma Performance sequential side markers. So now the taillights match the side markers. Waiting on Suma to make some headlights. I saw HRS just revealed some headlights. I might go for those, but as of right now, I'm really happy with how this turned out. This looks sick. I'm gonna pull this out and get a better shot for you guys. Oh shit. It's got a whole startup sequence. Oh, that's badass. Finally some fully sequential taillights that actually like do something special. These are only $410 compared to the Mugen ones, which were $650, and the $650 for Mugen taillights that just didn't have enough features for it to be $650 other than it saying Mugen. With this build, I really want to go with quality over clout. The parts I've done so far are based on quality, but fuck yeah. Alright, I need to go upstairs and eat dinner with Alyssa. I'm sure we'll come back at nighttime and see what these look like at night. Well, I just got back from a drive. It is currently nighttime and the taillights look insane. I'm in love. It's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Like I said, I'm super stoked to be vlogging again. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. There's so many things that I want to tell you guys that there's just too much to cover in one video. But, you know, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.